Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a quick review about this IT management platform, which is Atera. So to get started, Atera continues to be a top-tier all-in-one IT management platform, especially appealing to managed service provider, which is MSPs, and small IT teams. It offers remote monitoring and management, which is RMM, for professional service automation, together with PSA and help desk and network discovery, all in a single easy-to-use dashboard. One of the Atera's standout features is technical pricing model, which allows teams to scale service without ballooning cost. The integration tools like AnyDesk, Laptop, and antivirus provider enhance its visibility and making it ideal for both reactive and a proactive IT operation. However, Atera may not be the perfect fit for large enterprise, but with a very complex and a high customized IT environment, has some advanced configuration options and integrations are still maturing. Additionally, while reporting and automation features have improved, they might feel limited compared to more enterprise level platform. And here's the very conclusion. So Atera remains one of the best IT management platform in 2025 for small to mid-sized teams seeking an affordability and simplicity all in one of solution, which is intuitive interface. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and subscribe for videos. And that's it.